Back to basics. Let's get some basics down. Hey, start with what's given. This is called dimensional analysis, by the way. Right, we're starting with 14.8 grams, and we need a conversion factor to get rid of grams and end up with the desired unit. That's micro, means 1 million times smaller. All right, so 1 million times smaller is 10 to the negative 6. And we don't need a calculator. We can simply bring that to the top by flipping the sign of the exponent. So your answer is going to be 14.8 times 10 to the 6 micrograms. Now, can't leave our answer that way. Oh, it does tell us to write scientific notation for all of these. All right. But anyway, this is not proper scientific notation. We've got to move that decimal to the left one spot. So our answer is going to be 1.48 times 10 to the 7 micrograms. All right, moving on to B. 3.72 grams. Oops. I'm starting to go on autopilot here. Let me focus here. All right, grams. Cancel out the grams. Get a conversion factor with grams on the bottom. The desired unit goes on the other side of that. How are they equal? One is 1,000 grams and a kilograms. Cross out the grams. All right, we divide by 1,000. You're going to move the decimal over 3 times. So it is going to be 0.0 this way. 1, 2, 3. 0.00372. It does tell us to write in scientific notation. So we just got to move that decimal back. 1, 2, 3. Well, what was the whole point of that? 3.72 times 10 to the negative 3 kilograms. There's our answer for B. Let's do it. C. Gotta make more room. C. 66.3 liters. How do we get rid of the liters? Down there. Oh, what's that? All right, let's go to milliliters. All right, so get the liters out. There's 1,000 milliliters in a liter. Now let's take it to milliliter. Can't even talk anymore. Can't even write either. All right, take that to cubic centimeters, and that's 1 to 1. That's just to turn the units to our desired unit. All right, 66.3 times 1,000. Move our decimal 3 times that way. So we're going to get 663. What is that? Oh, that's my crossed out liters. All right, 66300, right? 1, 2, 3. There's 2 more zeros after that. Now, oh no, we're good. Sorry, I thought it was. Boy. Okay. Scientific notation. Decimals there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, answer 6.63. These are not significant. Times 10 to the 4 cubic centimeters. There's the answer for that. All right, what color haven't I used? Let's go with the red. D. Down over here. Yeah. Come on. There you go. 7.5. Oh, they're getting a little trickier. They're giving us scientific notation. Joules. Joules. SI unit for energy and work. Remember that? All right, turn that into kilojoules. We can do that. All right, joules goes on the other side to get rid of the joules we started with. And kilojoules is the desired unit. Kilo means 1,000 times bigger. So there's 1,000 joules in 1 kilojoules. Or, yeah. So, all right, now it might be just easier to turn this thing into scientific notation or exponential form. All right, so that's 10 to the 3. 10 to the 3. Okay, now let's bring this. Oh, well, that's fine. So, yeah. So our answer is going to be 7.5 times 10 to the, all right, 4 minus 3 is 1. All right, and the unit is kilojoules. We don't have to write this one. Kilojoules. All right, so where are we at? E. I need to copy this because I'm running out of space. Whew. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna use black. Let's do black. All right, E. 3.9 times 10 to the 5 milligrams to decigrams. All right, here we go. Prefixes to prefixes. Let's go to the base, right? Better write smaller. All right, so get rid of milligrams, take that to the base, which is grams, right? And then take the base to the second unit with the prefix, which is decigrams. All right, just a little easier. It takes a little longer, but easier. All right, milli means 1,000 times smaller. So there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Cancel out those units. Deci means 10 times smaller. So there's 10 decigrams in 1 gram. Cancel out the grams. All right, that 0 is going to cancel out with that. So I'm going to use a different color. All right, that 0 can cancel out with that. So this is just going to be 10 to the 2. All right, answer is 3.9 times 10 to the 5 minus 2. We're dividing, right? 5 minus 2. So that's going to be 10 to the 3. And what's our unit left over? Leftover unit is decigrams. There it is. Uno más. That means one more in Spanish. I grew up in Mexico. All right. No, I didn't. My aunt lived in Mexico. Sorry, visit her in the summer. That's how, actually, I'm not lying. That's honest. I remember, like, my favorite thing when I went there, it was so hot. It was like to get these, like, fish flavored ice cream. Oh, I know. It sounds so good, right? Oh, I can go for one right now. There was like fish flavored ice cream, popsicle sticks. Everything was like, oh, okay. So hot. It was good. All right, yeah. We're F. Last one. 2.1 times 10 to the negative 4 deciliter microliter. All right. I need a break after this. Deciliters. Cancel that out. With what? The base liter. All right, right? We're going to go to the base. All right, deci means 10 times smaller, so we got 10 there and 1 there. Cancel that, cancel out. All right, now we can go from the base to the other prefix, which is micro. Micro means 1 million times smaller, so 10 to the negative 6. Cancel, cancel. All right, now 10 to the negative 6, we're going right across here, right? 10 to the negative 6 times 10 to the 1, all right? So I'm just going to multiply the denominator first, get that simplified. All right, that's going to be 10 to the negative 5, right? Because we're adding exponents when we're multiplying. Right, that's good. All right, now let's get the answer here. 2.1 times 10 to the negative 4 minus a negative 5 is plus 5. All right, so that's just 1. So it's just 2.1 times 10. 2.1 times 10, what was the unit? Microliters. Microliters.